And yet, it's another challenge question. If you can solve it, you are brilliant. Take a bow because I know that you are brilliant. Number 16. There were thrice. What does that mean again? 3 times. Thrice as many boys as girls at a bazaar. The number of girls was thrice the number of adults. That's 3 times again. There were 1,444 more boys than adults. Look at people. How many people were there at the... Oh, I put carnival. You know when you steal people question, eh? You know that. So let's just interpret it as, a different, a synonym. We started with bazaar, so it's supposed to be bazaar. Great. I just changed the words for a question. What is going on here? What is this X2? Anyhow, we'll figure that out later. So there were thrice as many boys as girls at the bazaar. So I'm going to put that. Pink for girls. Girls. G for girls. Blue for boys. We get a nice blue. Boys. Boys. Are there thrice as many boys as girls at the bazaar based on our diagram? No. So let's make it thrice. B for boy. B for boy again. Great. The number of girls was thrice the number of adults. So who's more, girls or adults? The number of girls was thrice the number of adults. So girls are more than adults. We'll put the adults in red. Okay. So girls, 3 times the number of adults. So that means if we want to make the adults share, it must be 1/3 of the girls. Great. I thought you chose red. Alright, I don't like that color. Let's make choose green. Great. So this is the adults. A for adults. Great. There were 1,440 more boys than adults. So now we're comparing the boys to the adults. I'm going to do that by drawing a dotted line here. Adults, boys. So let's look at the boys and let's look at the adults. There are 1,440 more boys than adults. What does that mean? It means that had it not been for these boys here, the boys and the adults would have been the same number. Great. How much more is it? It's 1,440 more. Okay. Let's look at this here. We have the adults, and the adults are 3 times less than the girls. Right? So we're going to divide each of those parts just as the adults. Adults, 3 times. Girls are 3 times that. And then the boys are what? Boys, 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 boys. We're dividing it into the size of the number of adults. Great. When we compare, that's what we're doing. So it means that if this section here represents the difference between boys and adults, and it is 1,440, to find out the value of one of these equal parts, we divide 1,440 by how many equal parts there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1,440 divided by 8. 8 into 14. 1 8 is 8. 14 take away 8 equal 6. Bring down the 4. 8 into 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 take away 64 is 0. Bring down the 0. 8 into 0, 0. 0, it's a 0. Some people leave out that step. Okay. So what does that mean? It means here's equal to 180, 180, 180, 180, 180. We're getting the idea. 180, 180. And remember, we separated into equal parts. So here's also 180, 180, 180, 180, 180. How many people were there at the carnival? How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 times 180. 180 times 13. 0 1 0, 8 1s 8, 1 1 1, 0 3s 0, 8 3s 24, 1 3, 3 and 2 5. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 and 1, 2. 2,340 persons. Let's see if that works. This section here is 1,440. This section here is 180. So let's add 1,440 plus 180. That's the number of boys. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 8, 12. 4 plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, 1. So that means 1,620 boys. Girls, 180 times 3. Let's see how much that is. 180. Let me write B for boys here. 180 times 3. 0 3s are 0. What is this called? Checking over. When you are told check over your work, you need to know what you need to be doing. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 is 3 plus 2, 5. So girls, 540. And adults, 180. I wonder what's attracting the boys so much. Maybe there's a lot of car racing and, I don't know, spiders and snakes and scorpions. Bias, yes, I know. 180. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 1, 12. Plus 1, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. 2,340. So we have just checked to see if our 2,340 is correct, and I believe we are correct.